West Palm Beach Asphalt Paving Co. Welcome to West Palm Beach Asphalt Paving Co. We are a paving company specializing in asphalt paving for residential and commercial properties in the West Palm Beach area. We have been in the asphalt paving business for years and are one of the most reliable paving companies in the area. Our company takes pride in the quality of our work. We always strive to provide our customers with the best possible paving experience. Whether you need a new driveway, parking lot, or other asphalt paving project, we are here to help. Our company takes a unique approach to paving. We believe paving should be a partnership between the contractor and the customer. We work closely with our clients to ensure that every project meets their specific needs and budget. In addition, we only use high-quality materials to pave the asphalt surfaces. We at West Palm Beach Asphalt Paving County offer various services for your paving needs. This includes asphalt paving, driveway paving, parking lot paving, seal coating, striping and pothole repair. Look no further than West Palm Beach Asphalt Paving County for reliable and experienced asphalt paving services. Contact us today for a free estimate. West Palm Beach Asphalt Paving County, West Palm Beach, FL 561-286-4472, www.westpalmbeachasphaltpaving.com.